The Therapeutic Massage Advanced Practice program is a 2-year program, and when students finish the program, they will have an associate degree. At the completion of the first year, they will have a certificate in massage therapy and can test for their license. From the base level, we teach Swedish massage, which is kind of our relaxation massage. Very important to warm up the tissue. Then they build into deep tissue, myofascial release, everything up to some really advanced techniques, neuromuscular therapy, and sports massage. So it's really an interesting mix.
I would say the main skills is just being more comfortable with hands-on touch with people. That's not something that is super easy to do with someone that you've just met, just a couple moments ago. So being more comfortable with that.
It's wonderful. It's more than I could have even imagined. And having the teacher that actually has that experience, especially in the medical side of it, which is where I want to be.
And now my favorite component of massage is working with other healthcare providers, which is the trajectory of this program, is to have them be able to work alongside of the medical professionals in treating different cases.
I would say the hands-on experience is a huge part in it, and then the equipment, having this whole room here, and then the clinic that we have has very nice tables.
We also provide so many clinical hours that it's above and beyond anything that I've ever seen, which is supervised in our own clinic right here on campus. It's a beautiful environment for learning, for practicing on people from the general public.
There's everything we do need there. It is truly a spa experience.
So grateful. I mean, it's so fun to see the confidence build, the skill set build. I'm really passionate about massage therapy, and I'm really excited about the future when it's in the hands of these students from this program.
Having his experience with 25 years and knowing what works and what doesn't work is huge.
The instructors, they are great. They know their stuff. Anything I have to ask them, even if they don't know offhand, we work at it together, and it's been wonderful. And even working with the students here, it's been great.
Now having the experience here and the techniques that I've been taught gives me a lot of confidence knowing that I can actually do some good.
Knowing that there's a program where you can go out and really change people's lives, help people feel better in a 2-year program, and work along with those same healthcare professionals is just a really, really neat thing.
The happiest part of this program is knowing that I'm doing something helping somebody.
The breadth of knowledge that they're going to have and the depth of knowledge in certain techniques, especially the therapeutic side of things, just kind of sets it apart from any other ones that I've seen.
The experience that you get in school before you even get into working, it's hard to come by. Like, you're not going to be able to get that anywhere else.